In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete completed tasks in Google Tasks. If your to-do lists are feeling cluttered because old completed items are piling up, this quick walkthrough will help you clean things up in just a few clicks. We'll focus on the desktop experience inside Gmail or Google Calendar, where Google Tasks lives in the right-hand sidebar. Start by opening Gmail or Google Calendar on your computer. Look to the right edge of the screen for the side panel and click the Tasks icon. If you don't see the panel, there may be a small arrow to expand it. Once Tasks opens, make sure you're viewing the correct list at the top. If you keep multiple lists, select the one you want to tidy up so you don't remove items from the wrong place. To clear every completed task in that list at once, click the three-dot menu labeled List Options. In the menu that appears, choose Delete All Completed Tasks. This is the fastest way to wipe all the done items in your selected list while leaving your active tasks untouched. You'll see an on-screen confirmation, and your completed section for that list will be emptied immediately. If you prefer a more precise cleanup, you can remove finished items one by one. Inside your list, look for the completed section. It may be collapsed. If so, click it to expand and reveal your finished tasks. Hover over the specific task you want to remove, and click the trash can icon that appears. That deletes only that single completed task and leaves the rest of your completed items alone. This method is great when you want to keep a record of most past work, but get rid of a few entries you no longer need. A few important things to keep in mind. Deleted tasks can't be recovered later. After you delete, Google briefly shows an undo option at the bottom of the screen, but it only lasts a few seconds. If you miss that window, the deletion is permanent. Because of that, it's a good idea to double-check that you're in the correct list before bulk deleting and consider using the one-by-one method if you're unsure. Regularly clearing completed tasks helps reduce visual clutter, keeps your lists focused on what's next, and makes it easier to spot priority items. Whether you choose the quick bulk delete or the careful individual approach, you'll have a cleaner, more manageable Google Tasks experience in no time.